We are starting the teardown on our 1961 356B. This is for the 2025 Restoration Challenge. Step one here, just starting the teardown and get it down to as many pieces as possible. Lower down with 4 wheels off.
There, good right there, boss.
Bump it up just a tiny bit. Here, hold on. Yeah, you're good. You can keep going. A lot of this stuff's aftermarket. We've got this kind of janky old fuel pressure regulator here. Aftermarket spin-on style filter. Aftermarket oil cooler here. Not very pretty. A lot of what we deal with here at the Porsche Classic facilities is just kind of undoing the years and years of neglect and poor maintenance and lack of maintenance.
Well, boys, looks like we're almost finished.
There you go.